Tell me again your name.
Vic
And who you
Keezy
are?
with the FBI out of Bakersfield.
Great.
Okay, so that
Can
was...
I see your
Yes, you can see my credentials.
credentials?
Yes.
Great, and you are?
Ranjit Thakur. I'm an FBI agent with the FBI.
Great.
Okay, so like I said...
Do you have
John.
your ID, sir?
Yeah, I'm not giving you my ID. You know who I am.
Okay, so like I said, there was a citation that was issued. You said you didn't get it in the mail. Okay, that's between the Air Force and you. Our issue is national security. We just want to make sure that while you were there filming, okay, you don't have any intentions of doing any harm to anybody at Edwards Air Force Base or anything like that.
No.
Is that okay? All right. Do you have any questions of me?
Are we finished here?
That's all I wanted to ask you.
Okay. Well, I have no citation on any court date.
Okay.
So.
Well, I'm just going to show this to you. Okay. This is the copy of the citation that I have. Okay.
Well, I never got one. So.
Okay. Well, it works a little bit differently than say like a local ticket. Okay. They'll send things in the mail. So obviously you haven't gotten it yet. Okay. So that may be coming. This is what it's going to look like. That citation that I just showed.
Can I see the citation?
Sure.
Can I get a? When is the court date?
There actually is no court date. That's between the JAG, which is the Judge Advocate General from the Air Force, and the United States Attorney's Office. Okay, so
it's just whether they choose to pursue it.
yeah, that's exactly what it is. Okay, so there was a citation issued. Okay, if and when you have a court date, it's going to be in Bakersfield. Okay, but we don't care about that. That's between you and the Air Force. I told you we're here for national security issues. I asked you the question, and you answered that. Okay. Do you have any questions of me regarding that? I'm not going to question you about this. Okay. Do you have any questions of me regarding what I talked to you about? No.
Are we going to have any further contact from this incident?
No. As long as we're taking you at your word that nothing's going to happen. Okay. Whether or not the JAG or the U.S. Attorney's Office does anything, that's between the JAG, you, and the U.S. Attorney. Okay? That's it. Okay?
We're not terrorists, so.
No one's accusing you guys of being terrorists. Okay?
Sure you are. Why are you here?
Okay, I already told you why I'm here.
Okay.
So, whoever this young lady is the one that brought up terrorism. I didn't bring
No,
up
no,
terrorism.
you brought it. You.
Okay.
Listen, we can.
I just wanted to make it clear. I'm his
Okay.
wife. I just want to make it clear.
Okay, no, that's fine.
We're not terrorists. We have no
Okay.
interest in terrorism. My
I understand.
husband doesn't film for terrorist activities. Just wanna
Okay.
make that
And I'm
clear.
just telling you that we're assigned to the Joint Terrorism Task Force. Okay. That's not implying that you guys are terrorists. We're just assigned that task force. Okay. So unless you have any other questions, John, I think we're done. Okay.
Have a wonderful
All right.
day.
Thank you.
Thanks.
The FBI's actions in this situation clearly show a tendency toward overreach, questioning, demanding ID, and pressuring the citizen without any specific legal basis. The citizen's calmness and control over the information provided demonstrate that knowing and exercising your personal rights is the only tool to limit agency discretion. If you enjoyed this video, leave a 5 in the comments.
Am I being detained?
Yes, right now you are.
For what? What reasonable articulable suspicion you
I
got
told you
that
to
I
slow
committed a
down.
crime?
You didn't slow down.
That's not a crime. You can't tell me to slow down. When I don't even, I'm driving up there and you told me to slow down?
Hand me your ID,
Reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. Tell me what it is.
Hand you your ID, sir.
Let me get a supervisor.
Hand me your ID, sir.
Supervisor.
Hand me
I'm
your
asking
ID,
you
sir.
for a supervisor.
Hand me your ID, sir.
I'm asking you for a supervisor.
Hand me your ID, sir.
I'm asking you for a
Hand
supervisor,
me your
sir.
ID, sir.
What reasonable articulable suspicion have you got that I committed a crime?
Hand me your ID, sir.
You just said to me, you asked me to slow down and I didn't, and I'm sitting still, sir.
Go ahead. I'm just asking for your ID, sir.
What do you need my ID,
No,
sir?
Just give him your
We didn't do
ID.
anything wrong.
He's not, we're not going to jail for
He's done
anything.
right, but he's done run it. I heard everything come back and they said
That
I'm
was on your
fine.
tag. I didn't.
I'm
check
the
your
owner of the
ID.
car.
I know. I just checking to see who you are.
Right. But you don't have any articulable suspicion of
I
what's
sit
the
there and
crime I
I told you to
committed.
slow down,
How
and you
can you
kept
tell-
on going.
How can you
I
tell
thought
me
you
to
just-
slow down
I thought
when
you
I'm
were just
sitting
saying,
still, sir? How can you tell
were
me to slow
not sitting
down?
still when you went blowing by me.
You weren't up there.
I was standing right
He was
there.
standing right-
This gentleman here told us to
And
pull
then
in
he
here.
stepped out in the road to tell you to stop.
No, he told us to pull in here. He grabbed my ID. This cop grabbed my ID out of my car.
Bro, I mean, you don't have no problem, brother.
No, I ain't got no problems. Sir, can you have my wallet back to me and I'll take my ID out? You don't need my wallet. It's got money in it.
Central 1212. That comes back to John M. Stewart out of Walling, Tennessee. He has a valid Class Delta, no gun permit, no restrictions, several priors, negative NCI.
Get your name and badge number, sir,
Badge number's 1212.
and your last name.
Pack.
Pack. You tell me why you reached in my car and grabbed my ID like that?
Because I asked you to hand them to me, and I could have put you in cuffs.
Plus, what's your location?
I asked you to slow down. You did not slow down. I had every right to pull you out of this car and detain you when I asked you for your name, and you did not give your name. I asked you for your license. You did not give me your license.
Please explain to me,
I
what do
have
you
a
mean
right
you
to-
asked us to slow down? We
When I
slowed
told
down.
you to slow down and you did not slow down, you only slowed down when the man stepped out in front of your car. Sir,
and told us to
do
pull in
not.
here. Did he not? And we pulled in here.
Yes, after he stepped in front of your car to keep you from hitting him. So that's the only time you stopped. So I'm not going to tell you that again. I do have a right to detain you.
There's
I
nothing.
do have a right to ask you for your ID.
We were slowing down to come through this intersection.
That
We
is
don't
a
know what's
lawful
going
order.
on.
I
I
do
didn't
have
say
a
it wasn't a
right.
lawful order.
I
said
do have a right to ask you for your ID at any time. So whether you want to or not, you do have to comply with that. Whether you're recording that or not.
that ain't, the recording's just for me. That ain't got anything to do
I
with it. We are
understand that.
slowing down. We come over this hill. We don't know what's going
When you
on.
came down through there and you saw blue lights right there, and then I tell you to slow down, you did not slow down. You kept on going right past me.
Doing 5 miles an hour.
No, you were not doing
This gentleman
5 miles
come
an
out
hour.
and slowed
The
us
speed
down.
limit's 30 miles an hour.
We wasn't doing 30 miles an hour.
Yes. You were doing more than that. You were doing 40. Down through there.
Oh, yeah, until we got stopped. I'm sure we might have been doing 35 or 40, but I wasn't doing no 35 or 40 when we come up to you
I
or
was
that
telling
gentleman
you to
over
slow
there.
down, and you didn't. You went right past me, and then he stepped out in front of you. So, that's the reason why you were being detained. You understand that?
I do understand that.
All right, slow down.
Thank you, sir.
Speed limit's 30 miles an hour all the way down through here.
And we weren't going over 30.
Yes, you were. When you come past me, you were.
Let us go.
Believe me, I can tell.
All right.
I do
And what
this for a living. All right?
what was your name again, sir?
I told you already. You got it recorded.
Pat. Okay. Are we free to go?
Just a second. As soon as this car goes by.
Hang on, don't back up yet.
Come on.
Surprised they try to get yours because you're a black man out here in this county, you know it? These motherfuckers.
The police taking a citizen's wallet and ID without consent clearly demonstrates overreach and a violation of personal property. Even if they believe they have a legal reason, Touching someone's belongings without permission or a clear legal basis infringes on fundamental rights, undermines trust in law enforcement, and creates legal risk.
All right, how about you?
You're good.
Cool.
Can I help you with something?
What was that?
Can I help you with something?
No, I'm good.
What are you doing taking pictures of?
What's that?
So why are you taking pictures of stuff?
I was just taking pictures.
What's your name, bud?
What was that?
What's your name, bud?
Did I do something wrong or something?
I'm just asking. You're taking pictures of stuff. I'm just asking.
Just taking pictures.
Okay. And I'm just asking what your name is.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Okay. You gonna give me your name or?
Well, I don't know why I have to. Did I do something wrong? I don't
Just
understand.
suspicious you're taking pictures of stuff, so I'm just asking.
I don't understand, man. Am I in trouble or something?
No, I'm just simply
Okay.
asking if I can have your name.
Okay, cool. Well, I don't understand why. I mean,
I just told you why. You're taking pictures of stuff.
I know I get it, but I still don't understand that. Pictures is,
Okay.
I didn't know I couldn't do that,
Okay.
right?
You can take pictures, but I could also ask for your name. That's what I'm doing.
Okay,
I'm just asking for your name.
cool. Asking for my name, I get it. Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna give me your name or no?
Why? I mean, why would I if I didn't do anything wrong? You just said it.
I'm not. But I'm just asking for your name. You can say no if you don't want to give me your name. It's simple.
Yeah, well,
Right.
I mean, if I didn't do nothing wrong, I don't see why I have to give you my name,
I'm
right?
not telling you you have to. I'm just asking for it.
And that's the answer. I'm saying if I didn't do anything wrong, I don't see why I have to give you my name. I'm just taking pictures.
All right. Make sure you read all posted signs.
Shouldn't be a problem.
You
What
hear
was
what I
that?
said? Make sure you read all posted signs. Okay.
What do you mean all posted signs?
Okay. Start taking pictures of jail facilities and stuff like that. You could get in trouble for that.
You can get in trouble for taking pictures of jail facilities?
Yes. So like I said, there's a bunch of signs. I would read them if I was you. Okay, bud?
Like this one?
That's not a jail facility.
Which one is?
Read the signs, bud. All right.
Well, I just want to make sure because I'm going to go take a picture of it right now.
Okay. Well, take pictures of signs if you want. Read them.
I'm just going to take a picture of the jail facility though, so you can just point me in that direction.
Well, I don't have to do that either. Okay.
But do you want to? What's your name?
Sergeant Juan Ceja with the Yolo County Sheriff's Department.
Sergeant what?
Juan Ceja.
Juan Ceja?
That's correct.
So what's the issue? I don't understand why you came up
just
and...
because you put a camera in my face isn't going to change anything, okay?
I'm not saying it is. I'm not saying it
We've already
is.
finished our conversation. All you're doing
I
is
don't
trying
feel
to
like
bait-
I'm done. I'm just asking
Listen,
what
all
the
you're trying to do is
problem
trying
is.
to bait
I'm
you
not
like
trying to
you're not a
bait you. I'm
problem.
asking what the problem is.
That you were taking pictures.
But now you're
And I'm
telling me,
asking
now
for your
you're
name.
telling me, now you're telling me
Conversation's over.
you can't take pictures of a jail
saying
facility.
be careful
I
taking
can
pictures of a jail
absolutely
facility.
take a picture of a jail facility.
Okay, make sure you read the
Okay.
signs, okay?
No, you make sure you get back in your car and you're dismissed and get out of here. How about that? See you later. You're
man,
dismissed,
have a good
babe. Yeah, see you later. What a jerk, dude. No need to be a jerk for no reason, man. All of a sudden, it's take pictures of the signs and you can't take pictures of jail facilities and all this nonsense. Huh?
How you doing, bud?
I'm all right. How about you?
Oh, what happened?
Just taking pictures.
Oh, right on. Any reason?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Any reason for what?
Yeah.
You tell me?
Just taking pictures. Yeah.
So you're not gonna like talk to me or anything like that?
Well, I'm just taking pictures.
Okay.
I don't see.
Any reason why?
Is there much more information to get? I'm just taking pictures.
Okay, so I'm just asking any reason why. I mean, I'm not being a jerk or anything,
Oh, I get it. And
Okay,
I'm just
so-
saying I'm just taking pictures.
but you're just taking pictures.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah. So, what's the reason why?
Just taking pictures, man.
Okay. Why? Why can't you tell me why?
I mean, I can, but I just don't know that there's more information to get after I'm taking pictures. What's the issue?
Well, there
Told
might
you what
be-
I was doing.
Okay.
Taking pictures.
But
Is that
it'd be
okay?
better
Taking
if we know
pictures of
why.
cars and license plates and
Yeah, but why?
just because.
But see, that's the thing. I mean, do you have an ID on you?
I do. Yeah.
Can I see it?
Why do I have to show my? Do I have
I'm not
to show my?
I'm asking if I can see it.
You're just asking if I can see
Yeah.
it? Oh, if I don't have to show it, I'm not. I don't
Okay,
know how
so-
the law works
all
on
right.
that, but I'm not going to show it if I don't have to.
All right.
Just so you know, this is
Yeah.
county.
This is
owned
private
right
property.
here. So
This
you have
is
to-
private?
You are this. You are.
I didn't know that.
It's open to the public for
There's a sign
legitimate
right there.
reasons. Okay, so technically at this point, just to let you know,
Okay.
all right, once you go past that little area over there,
Okay.
you are subject to search for no reason whatsoever, just for being here.
Mm.
You probably don't want that to happen, do you?
Not really. no.
Exactly. You are required to identify yourself because this is an actual government area.
Okay.
Okay? So what you should do, if you don't want to be like talked to or searched or anything like that, is go stand at the corner. Because then you're not on our property. Because actually, as of right now, I can search you, and anything I find, I can seize.
Is that right?
If it's illegal, yes. And I can show you the sign.
Yeah, could you want to show me the sign?
Yeah, let's walk over.
Where is it? That little one right there?
Right as you come in, it says anybody who's on this property is subject to search and seizure for any reason whatsoever. I can search a car, I can search a person, anything. You don't want that, right?
This is just the sheriff's office?
It's everything. It's our jail.
Where's the jail? It's right here?
No.
Is it? Where's the jail?
It's
Over
on,
there or something?
We have the jail, we have our minimum security jail, we have our evidence, we have our boat division, we have our administration division.
So, but this is the
entire
administration where I'm at, though, right?
Yeah. But you are subject to search for anywhere on this property for any reason whatsoever.
That's interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah. And I'm sure you don't want to be harassed, right?
No, not really.
Yeah. So do what you're doing, but you might just have to do it over there so you don't get harassed.
Is there like a penal code that you can do?
It says
that?
everything on there.
It says the penal code that you can search somebody for being on this
Yeah,
property?
do you want to go read the sign?
Yeah, I'll
go
check it out right after this interaction. I don't think I think that's probably not going to hold up in court, but you can't just search somebody because they're on this property.
Yes.
This is private property? Is that it?
It is private yet open to the public for legitimate business.
For legitimate business.
Yeah.
Right.
But what I'm saying though is you are subject to search. So technically, if we really want to, I can search you and identify you at that point. And like I said, I'll be happy to go read the sign with you, but you're on our property and you're subject to search. Okay, so like I said, it'd be better if you go stand at the corner and do what you're doing. But standing here and you're not telling me why you want to be here or what you're doing yet. So you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I don't know who you are. I don't know why you're here.
I told you why I'm here. Taking
Well, you
pictures.
did.
Yeah,
Okay, but
taking
why are you
pictures.
taking pictures?
Just taking pictures.
But why?
Just taking pictures.
Okay, now we're going to go another route.
What's the other route? I'm
Okay?
taking pictures.
I'm telling you right now, okay, you're subject to search.
Why would I be
Okay?
subject to search on
Because
public
it's the law.
property?
Let's go look at the sign. I'll show you the
This
sign.
is public property.
See, you're being difficult.
I'm not being difficult. I'm asking
But you are.
asking a question is being difficult. How is asking a question being difficult?
Because
I'm just asking a question. How am
but
I?
you're
How am I?
required- but
Just
you-
let me ask it. Can I just ask the question?
Well, why don't
How
you-
am
why
I
don't you
subject?
answer my question?
How am I subject to search for being on publicly accessible property? Like you said, I'm on public property. I'm not at the jail, mind you.
It's this whole
You
difference.
said this is a whole. No, it doesn't work because anybody can come in here and not be at the
Okay, let
jail.
me
This
ask you
is
a
the
question.
sheriff's
Let me
office,
ask you a
right?
question. Why do you have the right to ask me questions?
Because you're a public
And I
servant
have to-
and I'm a private citizen.
So you can't answer my questions?
I can if I choose to.
Okay, how about I choose not to then?
But you're a public servant. You get paid to
Okay.
answer my questions. You get paid to serve me. And if you're here and you're talking to me and
Because
harassing me like you are
No,
right
I'm not
now.
harassing you.
But you are.
I'm
You're
talking-
threatening to search me and that I can't be
I'm not-
here.
I'm
And you
threatening-
even said this is private property.
I have not threatened to search you at all.
And this isn't private property is
But I
the
haven't
thing.
threatened to search you at all. Have I made any threats to you?
Well, yeah, you
I just said
you
you're
said a
subject.
couple times we're going to take this
Yeah.
a different route.
So, what are you
And-
going to do?
You know, I
do you
don't
wanna do?
understand what the issue is here.
I'll go take a picture. I don't have my phone with me, but I'll go take a picture of the sign, and we can go from there.
Okay.
But this is like I said, you're subject to search.
So I'm sure you can understand our concern
Yeah.
if you're over here taking pictures.
No, I don't understand the concern
Well,
about
I'm
taking
asking
pictures.
You why, and you won't tell me.
I'm just taking pictures. That's the telling you.
But why?
Just
You're
taking
taking-
pictures.
you're
I'm taking
taking
pictures to take pictures because I like cool shit and I'm a photographer. I mean, what is the what?
You're taking
I could be
pictures-
working
you're
on a
taking
story
pictures
that
of
you don't need to know about. It
That's
could be
why-
a million
okay.
things that I don't have to
But
tell you because
I'm
there's
gonna
something
go-
called the Fifth Amendment, right?
Okay.
Right? So do I have to answer your question? Is it more suspicious because I don't answer your question? And then the next question, do you have reasonable suspicion of a crime? That's the next question. Because if you're going to take it one step further and detain me, what searching me would be detaining me, you would have to have reasonable suspicion of a crime. Because this here is public property. So I'll go look at the sign. I'll even look up your penal code, but I'll tell you right now, with the knowledge that I have based on the law and the Supreme Court rulings and stuff like that about public property and recording police, taking pictures of your facility, anything I want to take pictures of, even a jail facility, you can't do shit.
I don't care if you
That's the bottom line. So,
hey, is there a reason why it's so cool?
and now there's a big issue because I'm telling you I'm just taking pictures.
Because you want to know why.
I'm just taking
If
pictures.
I was at your house taking pictures, would you want to know why?
But you're not, I'm not, I'm not at your house though. I mean, I've never even done this before. I was just out taking some pictures today and I'm not at your house. If you were at my house, yes, I would come out and say, why are you taking pictures of my house?
Like I said, what we're going to do is I'm going to go actually snap a picture of the sign because, like I said, you're on this property, so you are subject to search if we choose to search you because we don't know you. You are subject, okay? You're subject to search. So I'm going to go over and take a picture of the sign. Mr. Muratella.
What was that?
Are you Mr. Muratella, correct? Oh, I see what's going on. Is that you? I have a letter for you if it's you.
So you're going to take a picture of the sign and you're going to show me that there's some penal code saying you can search me for whatever reason you want.
Okay, I want to take a picture.
Is that your personal phone? Hey, is that your personal phone? Both of you guys. Personal phone or not? Company phone or personal phone? You have to answer. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, because that's now a public record, and if I want to request it, I can. Is that your personal phone or company phone?
Well, when you go to that, you can do that.
No. Is that, I need it for the record. Is that your personal phone or a company phone?
When you make that
And
request,
what's your badge number?
I don't need to provide that. You already have
Yes, you do. What's your badge number? You have to give me your name and badge number. I believe in your policy. It says your identification has to show. Is there nobody else in this department named Seha?
No.
There's nobody else in this department with the last name Seha. That's what you're saying.
Correct.
Well, fucking asshole. All right. What's your name and badge number?
I'm Sergeant Hector Bautista, badge number 41.
Hey, why don't you teach this guy how to identify? What's your name and badge number? No, hold on. I'm gonna get all your identities first. Name and badge number? No. Name and badge number.
Before we go any further, we need to state
name
your
and badge
business.
number. No, I don't.
What is it?
What's your name and badge number?
Why are you here? How can we help
Davis, badge number?
you?
What's your name and badge number? I'm not going to converse with you until I get everybody's identification here. So that's the bottom line. Name and badge number.
Freeman 115.
Okay. What's your badge number?
I don't need to provide you the badge
What's your
number.
badge number?
You already have my name.
Are you you're refusing to identify yourself?
I already identified myself.
You're supposed to give your name and badge number, and it's supposed to be showing like yours are. Where's your name tag?
Help you, sir?
Aren't you supposed to have a name tag on?
How can we help you?
But you are in uniform. You have a badge on. That's uniform. Where's your name tag?
How you doing, ma'am? How can we help you? You're not telling us
This
anything
is
other
fucking
than
crazy.
being argumentative with this.
Well, I was taking pictures. You could have left me alone and went back to work, babe. That's it.
Yeah, because
Would have been simple.
This is a secured area.
I went from taking pictures to having to record like 10 minutes into the conversation because now I'm getting surrounded and shit. I don't understand the purpose for it.
Why is it that you're taking pictures? Are you just out
I'm
here
taking pictures.
for what?
Taking pictures.
Are you conducting an investigation or something?
Taking
or-
pictures.
But for what purpose, though?
I'm taking pictures.
So you want us to help you, but you don't want to help us, right?
And I've explained this
It's
to your
gotta be- it's
officers.
gotta be a
I
two-way
haven't asked for
street.
your help at all. You guys can go back to work.
But we're concerned because we have secured people.
Okay,
coming in and out of
so
here.
just make it clear. I'm not asking for your help.
Okay.
But if I ask a question, yeah, you're required to answer it because why? Do we know? Do you know that information? Why you're required to give your name and badge number and provide service to us? Do we know that?
What can we help you with?
But I'm just asking, do we know that
what can we help you
information?
with?
It's because you're a public servant, right? And I can choose not to answer the questions. Why? Because I'm a private citizen, right? I cannot answer you if I want. So it shouldn't be this big thing and this guy being a jerk for no reason. You don't have to be an asshole. You could give me your name and badge number. You can be professional and represent your department like a professional, right? But you're not. So you are a problem. Let's see what it says. I saw this sign. Is this the sign you're talking about?
Here, there's another sign right here.
Well, is this the sign you're talking about? Let's take a picture of that sign. Here, this sign says what? Unauthorized vehicles parking will be towed. It says nothing about people.
Yeah, you see this over here?
I'm not past that, but that also doesn't say anything about not going back there.
Well, Deputy Powell's coming back over here.
Let me ask you a question. Is that if I wanted to drive back there to go visit somebody at the jail, could I do that?
Well, that's not the jail.
Well, wherever
That's
it's
the juvenile
at.
detention facility.
And if I wanted to go visit somebody at juvenile detention facility, could I drive back there and do that?
if that's what
Could
you're
you
doing,
could you drive back? You could
drive back
okay,
there.
publicly accessible. If I wanted to walk in here, am I able perfectly to walk in here?
That's not the point
Publicly
we're telling you.
accessible.
Here, Deputy Powell's got the information.
Where'd you get that picture from?
Right there.
Where? Down there? I'm not past that.
But you're on the grounds of
Negative.
Listen.
I'm not past it. I am at the sheriff's office. You understand there's borderlines? So when you get past that sign, that's why that sign's back there and it's saying warning, once you pass this sign, you're subject to this and that. I'm not past that sign, I'm over here. This is a sheriff's department. Anybody's allowed to come here and it's publicly accessible. So try again.
Here's the deal.
Try again, babe.
See? You're not talking to us.
Okay, talk to me. Here, I'll be quiet. Go ahead.
What's the use? I've tried to talk to you. Yeah, I've tried again, and you keep on interrupting. So, what's the use?
Can I go now?
No.
The problem is you're giving me problem is you're giving me unlawful orders.
No.
You're trying to direct me
First of all, I haven't
about
ordered you-
things
stop.
I have to
Stop.
do that I don't
Stop.
have to do. No, you stop.
First
You're
of
not
all,
in
I
control.
haven't
Keep
ordered
it.
you to
Hey,
do anything.
keep it down when you speak to me, okay?
I haven't ordered you to do
Yes, you
anything.
guys are. He's ordering me to leave. You guys are a unit.
I'm not ordering you to do
You got him. You guys are a unit.
I'm ordering you to stay away from the secured facility.
I can be next to the. This is not a secured facility, and I can be next to that fence all I want.
All right. Well, have a good day then.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. I'm glad we got through that. Why did it take that?
This situation comes from the Bay Area Transparency Channel. A simple First Amendment audit outside the Yolo Police Department escalated when a citizen filmed from public property. Police rushed in, demanded ID, gave explanations, and threatened an unlawful search, despite no crime or legal basis. The auditor remained calm, repeatedly asking, "Which law am I breaking?" And ultimately, when the citizens stood firm in their rights, all threats collapsed. We created this video to share information and encourage every citizen to understand their constitutional rights, protect themselves lawfully and peacefully, and not to promote any form of confrontation.
Great, and you are?
Ranji Tacker. I'm an
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on the screen. Click to watch now.
What reasonable articulable suspicion you got that I committed a crime?
You didn't slow down.
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible.